Today, we're diving into the innovative Cheerble Pumpless Cat Water Fountain, a 2-liter automatic dispenser that's revolutionizing how your feline friends stay hydrated. Powered by MagDrive Technology, this fountain operates without a traditional pump, making cleaning a breeze with no hidden spots and ensuring no electrical leakage for your pet's safety. The multi-layer filtration system removes heavy metals and dirt, providing pure, fresh water, while the dual-mode dispensing, featuring time mode and intelligent mode, encourages your cat to drink more. Constructed from BPA-free materials, it helps prevent cat acne and operates at a whisper-quiet noise level, ensuring peaceful nights for both you and your pet. With a smart design that stops the pump when water levels are low and a 125 ml emergency storage for short power outages, your cat's hydration is always secure. Plus, Cheerble stands by their product with a 12-month commitment to quality, offering peace of mind with every purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.